Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm sharing with you guys an H&M summer haul. And if you're new and you stumbled across this video, welcome. My name is Patty. You'll see a new video from me here every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video from me. Alright guys, so today I'm bringing you guys an H&M haul, and I recently got an email from them because I'm on their email blast list and they were having a little summer sale. I think it was just like a one day or over the weekend kind of thing. So I went ahead, jumped on the site, and I ordered quite a few things. Honestly, all this stuff I feel like it came out substantially under $100 with that sale. And let's go ahead and jump right into this H&M haul. Alright guys, so the first thing on my H&M haul is this sleeveless jersey dress here. I really love this dress because I feel like it's so simple and it's like perfect for summer. I love the style of the shoulders. It doesn't have any like shoulder pads, but I feel like the way it's cut, it's kind of like a muscle tee, so it has a little bit of flare on the shoulders, which I love. It does have a nice wide cut on the arms, and in the model, the way they're showing it, it kind of looks like she has a bandeau top. Like you can kind of see the bra a little bit, so I definitely bought a bandeau top from them as well in mind for this top. The only thing, they didn't have my skin color. I ended up getting this one and it definitely doesn't match. I definitely need something that looks more like my skin so that way you don't see my bra, but I am going to keep this anyway just to kind of use it underneath maybe like a long sleeve shirt that has a button up. I can leave it open and throw that on with a pair of shorts for summer. I was thinking of returning it, but this was honestly like $3, so I feel like I can use it as a top with, like I said, something like a button up and just leave it open in the front. I feel like this can still work for me, but I definitely need to find something that's like this but more in my skin tone, because you can definitely see kind of like your bra because it does have a nice big long cut. I definitely love this dress here because I feel like you can wear it as is, super comfy with a pair of flat sandals or a pair of sneakers, or if you want you can kind of belt this and dress it up a little bit. And also the color is like a nice vibrant kind of orange. I feel like this is the perfect dress for summer. Now the next item in my H&M haul is this graphic tee here, and this is like in a mauve kind of pink, which I love, and it also does say love here on the side. I feel like a simple graphic tee like this would be great for summer to pair with shorts or like a denim skirt. I'm a big fan of graphic tees technically like all year round. I have a couple videos here on the channel on how to style graphic tees. I'm definitely a big fan of them, and this one is super soft. It was super inexpensive, and again I feel like you can pair this with pretty much shorts, any kind of skirt, and you got yourself a great summer outfit. Now the next item in my H&M haul is these white shorts here. Now I have been dying for a new pair of white shorts. I have a pair of white shorts, but they kind of have like a ruffle on the bottom. I was definitely looking for a pair of kind of simple white shorts that I can kind of pair any way dressed up or down, and I ended up getting these. They have kind of like a paper bag waist style around the waist, and I ended up getting these in a extra large. I wanted to size up because I wanted these shorts to fit not tight. I wanted them to feel kind of a little bit loose, and I said I'm gonna go ahead and size up, and they ended up being too big. If I definitely would have gotten a size large, which is my normal size in shorts, I feel like I would have been absolutely fine. So I contemplated on returning them, and I'm not 100% sure. I definitely said that I can tie a belt around it because it does have the loops to tie a belt and just kind of scrunch up around my waist and just kind of make them look big on the bottom. And from the front view they don't look bad like that, but then when I turned around it honestly feels like I'm wearing a diaper. It just looks super weird. So these I'm definitely going to return. I'm gonna try to find them in a smaller size because I really love these shorts. They have two front pockets in the front. Again, you can tie a belt around it. They have that scrunchiness around the waist. I feel like these shorts are super cute. Now I'm going to share a couple of accessories that I got from H&M, and first being are these strappy sandals. These sandals are definitely currently trending for summer. I feel like they're so great because they're so comfortable and they look so chic. I think they had these in a couple of other colors. I definitely wanted to get black, just something a bit more basic. They do have two Velcro straps on the front, and again I tried these on and they feel super comfortable. I honestly feel like I'm going to be grabbing these pair of sandals for the summer anytime I go out, because again, they're super comfortable and I feel like they look great with dresses, with shorts, with pretty much anything. These definitely run true to size. I am a size 8 and again, they fit perfectly to the T. Now the next item in my H&M haul, I got this ankle bracelet in gold. Chain details in your shoes are currently trendy, and I feel like adding this to a pair of sandals that I have around my ankles, I feel like would look super trendy for summer. This again was super inexpensive, and I feel like it's just a great little added accessory to your sandals. Now the next item in my H&M haul is this dress here in a gingham print. Now gingham print is making its way back, and I definitely wanted to get a dress in that print. This dress here is super light, is super great for summer. I love the sleeves. The sleeves do have kind of like a scrunchy style on the end, and it does have a little bit of a poof, and then the bottom has kind of like a ruffle. I feel like this dress, again, I feel like you can dress it out with a pair of wedges, you can wear a pair of flat sandals, you can even also do sneakers with this, and I also feel like you can have the option to belt it with a skinny belt if you wanted to. I'm a big fan of dresses, especially for summer. I feel like they're easy peasy. Literally all you have to do is just add some shoes, bag, accessories, and you're good to go. And I'm a big fan of printed dresses, especially for summer. I feel like it just kind of spices up your summer dresses, and again, gingham print is making its way back, and I feel like this dress here is super fresh and super cute for summer. Alright guys, now the last item in my H&M haul is this top here. I am in love with these tops currently. As you can see, it looks very similar to the one that I'm wearing now. I feel like tops like this are great. You can pair them with a pair of high-waisted jeans, any kind of pants. I feel a skirt you can pair this with. I feel like it's a nice dressed up top for summer, and honestly what really called my attention with this top is that it's really bright bold red. I'm not even sure if the camera is picking up that bright boldness, but in person this is a really bright red in your face, which I wanted. Like I said, this top is very similar to the one I'm wearing, so it does have kind of like that low cut in the front, and this one does have more of a poofy sleeve than the one that I'm wearing, which I love. You can also have a little tie here on the side, so you can tie it tighter around the arms, and then the bottom is a little bit flared. This one is more crop top. The one that I'm wearing, this one is a little bit longer, which I love, so I don't only have to wear this with something high-waisted. And like I said, honestly this thing is super bright. I feel like it's perfect for summer. Alright guys, there you have it. That was my H&M summer try on haul. I hope you guys enjoyed these pieces. I'll be leaving the links and my measurements and any sizing down below just so you guys can have as reference. I am going to be sharing a couple of more summer hauls, so stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That link is down below. There's a new video here every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. And that is it guys. I will see you guys in the next video.